guys, welcome to the new episode of Camp Like a Boon. I'm here doing the nature challenge. I picked this bush where I've been before, and the bushcraft challenge, the cook-off challenge. Back there, I camped back there, but now I'm closer. Look, I'm closer to the edge of the fields, and behind the field, the green grass, is a river. Well, I'm going to find me a spot to camp. Today I brought much gear as always, and I have this huge backpack, this Bergen Kit Pimp. These are also two side bags. I had to take them off because it was too heavy. But this backpack, I have a hot tent, I have a stove, I have a sleeping bag and all the stuff. I just thought, let's try this Bergen backpack, 150 liters, and let's stuff it all with gear. And if that wasn't enough, that one is my food and drinks and a lot of wood, because yeah, so yeah, I don't want to go chopping wood here all, and yeah, so I brought my own. I just want to have a relaxed nature camp with airplanes flying above my head. I don't know what they expect for weather, but I don't care. I have a hot tent. So let's go look around in this bush where I can set up my camp. I leave my gear here. This is not from a deer. Oh dear. Something slept here, but I think it has been a while. And this is also a strange sign of hunter activity, but as you can see, it's rusted, so it's been a while too. It might be better to camp over there if the smoke's coming this way. So here it is. Let me clear this stuff. Let me clear this up, and yeah, get ready to hot tent camp for the nature challenge set by myself for the Stealth Camping Alliance, of course. So let's hurry, let's set up camp. It's getting dark already. It's 5 o'clock p.m. and it's half of November, so it's getting dark soon. I still have to make my stove. It's the first time, so it'll take some time to fix the pipe, but I hope I will finish it before dark, and then we can have some stove hot tent camping. Here's the stove. Let's try it. Well guys, here I am in the tent. There's a bit of smoke here because I don't know, but time I try and there was a bit smoke coming out underneath there, and I tried to adjust it, but then I messed it up. But never mind, it is running. It's heating up fast. I have my food here. This is paprika, bell pepper, smoked sausage, herbs. I mixed it, as you can see. Onions, bacon strips, wine. Here, this is fun. Beer-shaped pasta. Yeah, because why not? Some goulash soup, some butter in a bottle, and some hot sauce, of course. Let's try to make something of this on this fire. Yeah, it's running, it's going. I started with this closed, and it was pretty dumb actually, but yeah, you can adjust it, not too much and not too little. And in the back is, yeah, you can see it there, you can adjust it also. This is still open. As you can see, I didn't close the tent here, so the heat can go out, but still it's pretty hot in here. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can see, ooh, this stuff is growing. Yeah, it was turning very red. So we will be getting used to stuff here on the stove hot tent. And now I will start cooking. Let's see if that works. Let's start by boiling some water to make the pasta. Don't worry guys, I have my first aid kit nearby, just in case. Well, let's see if the water is already boiling. Yeah, just a few minutes. That's more than enough for one person. Right. And let's get the pan, oh, the pan going. Let's get some butter in the pan. Oh, you can see it melts easily. Let's try a pasta. I'm not sure if they are ready yet, but they are hot. You can see. No, no. Pasta is al dente, so that's good. Can put that off the fire, off the stove. Be careful. I'm filming like a boon, actually, but that's my bacon. Let's throw in the garlic and the onions. See how that works out. And the peppers go in. So I have this herbal mix. It's like everything I have in the kitchen. It really tastes good. It smells good. Perfect. It looks cool, doesn't it? Oh, let's throw in. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay. Let's finish things off with smoked sausage. I will use only half one. I'll cut it in pieces, and I will throw it in with my pasta with bacon and smoked sausage. I'll take this off the fire. It's good, like it is. You see the smoked sausage is still doing good. The pasta with bacon, the beer pasta with bacon, onions, peppers and stuff is also in there. I think the sausages are good to go. Yeah, they are good to go. Yeah. Okay, guys, it's what I'm eating today. But okay, you cannot smell, but it smells delicious and it will definitely taste delicious. So, bon appetit. Didn't know if you heard the Folly Owl, but bon appetit. See you later. Bye bye. So, stealth camping legends. I'm really enjoying this hot tent camping, but I don't film anything. Never mind. A shorter burn film is maybe a better burn film, but I finished my I finished my food, I finished my hot chocolate, and now I'm over to a beer. Again, a beer that I didn't try before. I cannot try all Belgian beers, but I'm trying. I'm doing my best. But yeah, you know this one. It's Stealth Camping Alliance, of course. It's getting colder outside. The stove is still doing fine. It's a really nice invention, the hot tent camping. Yeah, but so here I am. In nature, you cannot see any. Yeah, okay. That's not too bad. The moon is out there somewhere, I think. Should be. You can see, you can hear horses. My feet are cold. As long as I don't burn my socks, it's okay. This is going to be a short day. I will not stay awake for much longer, not longer than necessary. I don't have my CPAP machine with me. It's in repair. It was doing some crazy stuff, and I had to send it to Australia because that's where I bought it. And so it's on the other side of the planet as we speak. And I hope they can fix it so soon I can sleep with my CPAP machine again. Because now, tonight, I will definitely snore like a bear. And that's not very stealthy. So anyway, maybe see you, and if not, it's in the morning. Bye bye. Good morning. I didn't sleep very well. I had to take out the stove because the pipe, the chimney fell down. In the beginning of the video you saw that there was a bump in the bottom. That's no good. Now I tied it onto trees for the rest of the night, but circulation of the air was not good either. That's why all the smoke was coming out inside the tent, which is also not very amusing. So I finally got to sleep at 2:30 or something, and I woke up around 6, and then yeah, many times in between also. So yeah, this is my nature challenge video. I will pack up my stuff. It's raining, by the way, so everything is wet. We didn't see much nature, but it's nice, it's beautiful. We heard some owls, but yeah, let's go pack before the next rain is coming. So guys, that was it for today. The nature challenge of the Stealth Camping Alliance. Shout out to everybody. I finished the challenge. It was a challenge indeed. Hot tent camping is very nice if everything works out, and I mean, it's a lot of stuff you have to carry, and it's very heavy, and it takes a long time to set up and to break down. So for high risk, it's definitely not an option, but for this nature challenge it was good to try this. I will do this more in the future, but probably at home in the garden or on a campsite, or I don't know. For stealth camping, hot tent, stealth camping, that's not too easy. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed it. There wasn't much nature that I could show you, but yeah, maybe I'll fix some B-roll for you guys. And thanks for watching, of course. And thanks for those who participate in the nature challenge of the Stealth Camping Alliance. We do this monthly challenge every month. That's why it's called monthly. And it's lots of fun. So I'm very happy that we have so many people joining the challenge. And hope to see you guys in the future. And thanks for watching for everybody. See you. Bye bye.